In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect heater for your bed. This is a bottle, this is water, this is a stove, and that's all you need to make a simple and safe heater that's perfect for heating a bed. For example, for those who have difficulty heating their home. Heat the water until it is hot. The water should be hot enough, but not too hot. Over time, you will get a feel for what temperature is most comfortable for you. You will also get a feel for how long to heat the water. You can also use a timer for this. In my opinion, the water temperature should be around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Be careful and make sure the water temperature is safe for you and your health. You can use a bottle of different sizes. The optimal bottle is 1.5 liters. This volume of water heats up quickly, in about 3 to 5 minutes. I often focus on the many small bubbles. When I see them, I stop heating the water. I heated 2 liters of water in 4 minutes and 23 seconds. The water keeps its temperature for a long time, about 4 to 6 hours. Also, in cold weather, it is probably better to drink warm water. Therefore, another benefit of such a heater is that you always have hot water nearby to warm you up and warm water to drink. But be careful, drinking very hot water can be harmful to your health. Water that is too hot can melt the bottle and reduce its volume. Also, microplastic particles can get into the water, which can be harmful to your health when drinking such water. A simple and comfortable bed heater is ready. Close the bottle well, so that the water does not leak out of the bottle. Always keep hot water under a blanket to prevent the water from cooling too quickly. Please write in the comments what you think about this, and you can also write your own ideas. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you.